let's actually discuss how we can create scripts in F# right now. In order to do this, we're in Visual Studio Code, and I will create a new file. I will simply save this file with a particular file extension that is associated with the scripting files. So we can name it wherever we want, but we want to finish it off with fsx, which is the extension used for the F# script files. So now that we have our file, we can print something simple. So let's just print hi, for example. We save our script, and then we can run this script with the execution command. Now, this will take a little while because it's the first time we're running and it needs to compile everything beforehand. But scripts are quite convenient when it comes to putting together small pieces of code that are to some extent substantial. So if it's a one-liner, you can execute that directly in the F# interactive tool like we've discussed before. But if you have some more code, it's usually handy to do this in a script because you can define several lines of code, you can save it under a particular name, you can easily share it with colleagues if you want, and quickly execute it. So you can see that the output that we received here is hi, and the program is done. So that's how you execute a script in F#.